Hi everybody, we're back with this project that we worked on, and we created our different drawing levels. So here we're going to start our HVAC system. So we've got our HVAC system drawn, and we did do our diffusers, but this is level 1. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go into our ceiling plan, which is what you really want to see for ductwork. So I'm going to go down to my HVAC ceiling plan here, and there you go. You see all our ductworks, and you can see light fixtures there. There's our air handling unit, and so on and so forth. So here we placed our these are diffusers, noted with the arrows that go outward, and then we've got return. So we got these strategically placed in here. So I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna worry about this top level later. Just want to get through these assignments so we can move on here. So here we have our ceiling. So what we like to do here, we like to go in. Let's go back to level 1 for a second here. I'll go back to 2 level. Well, we'll stay in our HVAC ceiling. Now here we might want to put room names in here, but I'm going to do that last because I want to kind of see what's going on here. So basically what we'll do is we'll go in and we'll go to our system tab here, and we'll select one of these diffusers, and I select that, and then I'll select duct here. And this opens this dialog box, create duct system, and what it has is supply air, and yes, we want to use supply air in system 1, then we'll say OK. So from that, we do this just like we've done the lighting and everything else. So we'll edit the system, and we'll just go pick up all our diffusers. That's the ones with the X in it. So it was there. There's one. I mean, I've done this before, so I'm just going to run through this. If you want to get more detail, I will show you in another video. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. So there we have all of our diffusers selected, and then we go up here to our panel here, and we'll select equipment, and we're going to pick up this air handling unit right here. This mechanical air supply split system unit, which is basically heating and air conditioning. So I'll select that, and we'll click finish. And then what I want to do, I want to select it here and just hit the tab key. And then we want to hit generate layout. So there's our layout for this system. And I'm going to briefly, this is very brief now, this is just layout for this mechanical system. So what I want to do is I'm going to select my settings here, and then in settings, these give us information. So this right now, offset is 9 feet. It's probably going to be higher than 9 feet because I think our ceiling is 11, but I'm going to just click OK here, and then we look at our branch here. Now, branch is basically from the duct to line, so this offset is 9, the maximum duct length is 6, and this says flex duct. We'll go here and say yes. We want to have a flex duct here. Is either option is none, and then I'm going to say OK here, and I'm going to go back in here and look at our other systems here. So we got 1 of 4. We got network here. I think I like this one. And then we'll click finish. And there's our duct system. So we have no auto route solution was found. So we got our error message there. So we have to look at that and come back to it. I look at that in fine view, and there's our diffuser layout. So now I'm going to go back and we're going to look at our intake. So we got a little issue here. I'm gonna worry about it. I think it's just the view depth that you can't see it there. So we're gonna look at our returns. So now we'll say I'm gonna cancel out of this, and I'm gonna select this return, and then I'm gonna hit duck again, and it says return air 1. I'm gonna say OK. So we'll just go and select all of our returns, which is not that many, and then hit the equipment here, and we're going to generate a layout. Interesting. Oh, I did my settings. Well, I'm gonna edit this. Well, I'm gonna undo that. Actually, I might come back and do the return system in a different video, but this is basically how this works. I'm going to try this one more quick time for you guys. So we're going to go with our return system here. Select that one. And then we hit duck. And this is mechanical return there. OK. And we're going to edit the system. We'll pick up this one. This one. Our configuration might not be good for this. Then I want to select my equipment here. And then I'm going to finish it. Select again here. Hit tab key. Uh-oh. So my return system is not working properly in this view, but for now I'm going to leave it there. And thank you all for watching. So this is going to be our layout for mechanical diffusers. So I'm not sure what's going on with my return here, but let me see. Split vertical system, generate layout, mechanical return there, that's it. Okay, there we go. That's our return there, and I'm going to finish that. Okay, so I probably should do something with our settings, but anyway, for now we're going to go with that. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. We're moving along with this thing here, this building. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. We did our mechanical now. Next we're going to do our plumbing work. So thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and stay warm. Bye.